In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, link, and customize a button in Wix. A great button can guide visitors exactly where you want them to go, so let's build one from start to finish. Start by opening the Wix editor. On the left-hand side, click the Add Elements button, the plus icon, and choose Button. Browse the styles and pick one that fits your site's look and feel. Then drag it onto your page and position it where it will have the most impact, like your home page, hero area, or a key section. Use the on-screen guides to align it with nearby elements so everything looks clean and balanced. With your button placed, it's time to make it do something. Click the button to reveal its toolbar, then click the link icon, the small chain symbol. This opens the link options panel. Choose the destination that suits your goal. You can link to a page on your site, such as your contact or about page. You can link to a web address, like your social profile or store. You can link to a document if you want people to download a file. You can also set it to open an email address, a phone number, or a pop-up. Paste or select your target, then decide whether the link should open in the same window or a new one. As a quick tip, external links usually feel best in a new window, while internal pages work well in the same window. Click Done to save. Now let's style the button so it matches your brand. With the button still selected, open the inspector panel on the right. Change the text by clicking Change Text and replace the default label with a clear, action-oriented phrase like Learn More, Book Now, or Get Started. Update the background and text colors to match your palette and make sure there's enough contrast so the text is easy to read. Adjust the width, height, and corner radius so the button feels proportional to nearby elements and is large enough to tap on mobile. If you like, add a subtle hover effect or a simple animation to make it feel more interactive, keeping it consistent with your overall design. Before you go live, test everything. Click Preview in the top right to open a working preview of your site. Click the button and confirm it goes to the correct page, URL, email, or document. Check that the styling looks right on both desktop and mobile and make any quick tweaks if spacing looks tight on smaller screens. When you're happy, click Publish to make your new button live. That's how you add, link, and customize a button in Wix. By placing a button on your page, choose